G'day Daiwa fans, Tom Slater here. We're up the back of a Hawkesbury, just fishing some of these sandy plats with the brand new Infeet Slippery Dog lures. I've got the 80mm tied on here. We're looking for a couple whiting. Hopefully we'll get stuck into a few in the next couple of hours. Alright, so we've just taken a break for a second. I want to show you the size comparison between the original 65 Slippery Dog and the brand new 80 size. So a couple of things we've done differently with the Slippery Dogs this year. We've actually tuned both of them. So they're now the Infeet Slippery Dog. They all come with BKK striker assist hooks as standard on the rear of the Feet now, and BKK treble hooks in the middle. But the big change is what we've done is you'll see in the back here there's that single ball, and we've changed that ball now to tungsten, so it makes the lure sit a lot more vertical in the water when paused. But obviously when we're whiting fishing, we're winding constantly. What that helps do is just keep that tail down, keeps the nose up, and gets that nice skating action across the top. So much better action on a fast retrieve with these new TG tuned Slippery Dogs. 65 and the 80. The 80's working really well this morning. We'll keep going. So while I'm fishing this new Slippery Dog 80, I thought I'd just take a time to explain a little bit about why we decided to add that to the range. So the 65 has been a really good fish catcher for everyone, but in the rougher water you really needed that little bit bigger. So rougher water generally means a bit of wind, and that casting distance you get with the new 85 weighing almost just over 6.5 grams, it really punches into the wind nicely, and that little bit more weight just makes it a bit more stable in the rough water. And certainly those whiting really love it. Alright, another little one, nothing special, but it just proves that when you're topwater fishing for whiting, the size of the lure is not that important. This is an 80mm lure, and the whiting's not that much bigger than that, to be honest. But they certainly don't shy away from the bigger lures, and that 80mm Slippery Dog, he wanted it. Get him back, get another one. There we go. Just put a cast up there under that shallow bit of sand. Got ourselves a nice little whiting. That's a better one. That's the ammonite colour, nice clear one. Got that little bit of blue on the belly, and again he got those stingers perfectly in the bottom of the lip there. A nice little whiting, not a thumper, but certainly a nice fish on the top. Doesn't get much better than that.